Good evening. It's Saturday night. Kagaling ko lang sa work. This is my dinner. I will not eat rice today. This is pumpkin salad. And I will eat this tempura, shrimp, and a boiled egg. Not just boiled egg, but it was boiled in a hot spring here in Japan. It's delicious, they told me. I ate also this one. It's delicious. It's not in a boiling water or whatever. It is boiled in a hot spring. Today, this is my menu. Thank you.